There are attributes in our life which are either there or are missing. Some of those that we are looking to build, and then there are the ones which exist, but we have cornered it to the extent that they have lost their meaning. This video is to help you find the lack of that attribute, which when put together will help you move mountains in life. It's called willpower. Willpower is something that comes inherently built in all of us. Some of us have it in low proportions, some mild intensity, and some excessively. But there is not a single one of us who doesn't possess willpower. The dictionary states the meaning of willpower as control exerted to do something or restrain impulses. Let us begin with our childhoods. As kids, we started working on this attribute unconsciously when we tried walking for the first time. It was our first ever self-upgrade from crawling. You may not remember yours, but try visualizing a toddler attempting his or first attempt at walk. What happens at the first attempt? Usually fall. Second or third attempt, maybe take the first step. And how about after a few attempts? Mostly successful at walking. That's it. Simple and easy to understand. It was your willpower that came into play. As humans, we are programmed since our childhood that no matter how many times we fall, we need to get up and walk. Willpower is an inbuilt feature in us. It's just that over a period of time, most of us develop a lack of it and underutilize it. Let us move to the next phase as growing teenagers. Back then, all of us had some bit of ambition in us. We wanted to become engineers, doctors, artists, lawyers, pilots, and what not. If ambition is a car, willpower is its fuel. Let the fuel tank dry and you would not move more than a few miles towards your destination. Keep the tank full and don't let it dry out. You are sure that you will keep moving towards your goal. While there would be times that although you maintained the willpower to its optimum level, you didn't reach your desired destination. But in hindsight, have a look at the positive side. You have made the journey, and that's the true enriching experience that you have earned. Barring a handful of us, lose the steam in our adulthood. Willpower is used as an umbrella on rainy days. We start using it only when it is required. We tend to leave behind the understanding that it is our willpower which has got us so far. It fueled that ambition to get a better life, to make good money, to aim for our next upgrade. Its true worth is being actively used and not just a sparring accessory. Why have we stopped using it in our day-to-day lives? Let us look at some classic examples around you and notice what role did willpower play in these people's everyday lives. First, one person you could think of who has been a chain smoker all his life and has quit smoking. Second, someone that you know of who has excessively overweight and took a transformational weight loss journey. Third, a young mind who would have taken numerous attempts in clearing the competitive exams to make it to their dream institute. Fourth, a business owner or entrepreneur that you know of who has toiled for years to sustain and build his venture. Fifth, an alcoholic or someone with a substance abuse addiction who has overcome it and has come clean. How many times do you think these people would have made an attempt and failed? Remember that toddler who made an effort from crawling to walking? These people took their journeys and made a difference in their lives by upholding their willpower. Of course, they had their bouts of fear, failure, and disappointments. But what they knew was sticking to their willpower will make all the difference. And it did. We have hundreds of such people that we can draw inspiration from. But the fact remains that the buck stops at us. If you have the lack, dig internally and start using your willpower in your everyday lives. Don't just use it as an accessory for occasions. If you set your mind at something, stick to your internal strength and have that toddler's attitude of falling and getting up again over and over again. You would fall and get hurt, but if you stick to your willpower, you would walk, you would run, and you would fly. Your willpower will move mountains, indeed. I'll leave you with this thought today and see you in my next video. Take care.